Hold on, I'm taping him. Are you checking out all your candy? Huh?
Woohoo! Look at all that good stuff.
Oh, Mama took your bucket.
No, he wants the candy. Oh.
Oh.
What happened?
Mama. Oh, his hat's stuck on his head. Look at him. The spider's falling and he can't get up.
What happened?
What
happened?
He's like, Mama.
What happened? That's alright.
Oh, yeah, go for the Smarties. Go for the Smarties. Yeah, buddy. You gotta take them out of the wrapper, though.
Thank you. Save all that for when you're old enough to eat it.
So you got a glow stick.
Do it, milk does.
Yeah. You want that 1,000 grand bar? There's some Whoppers, too.
Mama wants a Milky Way.
Sit him back up, Caitlin. You can't get up. Whoop. Hey, look at our little spider. Oop. You want? Oh. you just threw the. You didn't want that one. Jace. Jace. Look at me. You're gonna fall over again. Trying to get the. Whoop. Uh-oh.